In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize document in Affinity Photo without stretching. Open Affinity Photo and load the image or layout you want to adjust so you can see exactly what will change. At the top of the screen, go to the Document menu. This is where all the page level options live, separate from layer transforms, which is important because we want to change the document itself, not just scale a single layer. From the Document menu, hover over Setup, then hover to the Resize option. This brings up the controls dedicated to changing your document's dimensions. Using this method keeps your project organized and helps avoid accidental distortion. In the Resize panel, click into the size fields and type the new dimension you need. To keep things proportional and avoid stretching, enter either the width or the height and let Affinity Photo calculate the other side automatically. If you do need to type both values, make sure they match your original aspect ratio. A quick way to check is to compare the width to height relationship and keep that ratio consistent. Next, pick the units that make the most sense for your project. Pixels are ideal for screens, while inches, centimeters, or millimeters are common for print. If you're preparing for print, double-check the resolution setting so it aligns with your output needs, for example, a higher value for crisp printed results and a moderate value for web use. Before you apply the change, take a moment to confirm that the preview looks natural, with no squashing or stretching along the edges. Keeping the proportions linked and changing one dimension at a time is the key to a clean result. When everything looks right, click Resize to apply the change. Give it a quick review at 100% zoom so you can clearly see sharpness and detail. That's it, your document is now resized with its original proportions intact, ready for exporting, sharing, or continuing your edit without any unwanted distortion.